The prime movers for the multi-joint shoulder exercises are specific to the performed movement. The shoulder press type of exercises involve shoulder abduction, which is performed by the anterior and medial deltoids, and shoulder girdle abduction, which is caused by the upper trapezius and the serratus anterior, and elbow extension performed by the triceps brachii. Instead of the elbow extensors, the upright row exercise stresses the three major upper arm flexors, the biceps brachii, brachialis, and brachioradialis. A spotter is required for the seated barbell and dumbbell shoulder press exercises. The machine shoulder press. Sit on the seat in the 5-point body contact position. Grasp the handles with a closed pronated grip. All repetitions begin from this position. Push the handles upward. Do not arch the low back, raise the hips, push upward with the legs, or tilt the head backward. Maintain the same stationary 5-point body contact position. Continue pushing the handles until the elbows are fully extended, but not forcefully locked. Keep the wrists stiff, and the forearms approximately parallel to each other. Allow the handles to move slowly and under control back to the starting position. Do not flex the torso forward as the handles are lowered. Maintain the same stationary body position. Do not allow the handles to rapidly move backward to add a bounce to help with the next repetition. This is the machine shoulder press shown at normal speed. This video clip shows a common error in performing this exercise. The lifter sets the seat too low. The seat should be adjusted so that an imaginary line connecting both hand grips does not cross lower than the top of the shoulders or base of the neck. The seated barbell shoulder press. Sit on the seat in the 5-point body contact position. Grasp the bar evenly with a closed and pronated grip, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Move the bar off of the racks to a position overhead with the elbows fully extended. All repetitions begin from this position. Lower the bar slowly and under control. Keep the wrists stiff and the forearms perpendicular to the floor and parallel to each other. Lower the bar directly in front of the face. Do not let the bar hit the forehead or nose as it is lowered. Continue to lower the bar until it lightly touches the clavicles. Keep the head, torso, hips, and feet in the 5-point body contact position. Press the bar straight upward until it passes by the forehead. At that time, press it up and very slightly backward to keep it under control. Do not arch the low back, raise the hips, or push up with the legs. The body and feet should not move from their initial positions. Continue pressing the bar up until the elbows are fully extended, but not forcefully locked with the bar overhead. At the end of the set, rack the bar. This is the seated barbell shoulder press shown at normal speed. This video clip shows a common error in performing this exercise. The bar is lowered behind the head. The bar should be lowered directly in front of the face until it lightly touches the clavicles. The seated dumbbell shoulder press. Grasp 2 dumbbells with a closed grip. Position the feet flat on the floor and sit erect with the head in a neutral position and the dumbbells resting on the thighs. Move the dumbbells to the outside of the shoulders with the dumbbell handles level with the top of the shoulders. All repetitions begin from this position. Push the dumbbells upward at the same rate and very slightly toward each other to keep them under control. Keep the wrists stiff, the forearms perpendicular to the floor, and the dumbbell handles in line with each other. Continue pressing the dumbbells until the elbows are fully extended. Keep the forearms nearly parallel to each other. The hands, elbows, and shoulders should be in the same vertical plane. Lower the dumbbells slowly and under control down to the starting position. Keep the wrists stiff, the forearms perpendicular to the floor, and the dumbbell handles in line with each other. Continue to lower the dumbbells until they are level with the top of the shoulders or the base of the neck. At the end of the set, slowly lower the dumbbells to the thighs and then to the floor. This is the seated dumbbell shoulder press shown at normal speed. The upright row. Grasp the bar evenly with a closed and pronated grip, shoulder width apart. Place the feet shoulder or hip width apart with the knees slightly flexed, torso erect, shoulders held back, and eyes focused ahead. All repetitions begin from this position. Pull the bar up along the abdomen and chest by abducting the shoulders and flexing the elbows. Keep the elbows pointed out to the sides as the bar brushes against the body. Maintain the same stationary body position. Continue pulling the bar up until it reaches the area between the bottom of the sternum and the chin. At the highest bar position, the elbows should be level with or slightly higher than the shoulders and wrists. Lower the bar slowly and under control down to the starting position. Maintain the same stationary body position with the feet flat on the floor. The elbows should be fully extended at the end of the downward movement phase. This is the upright row shown at normal speed.